Finally making my way down to room 2255. Yep, this is me. Yep. This room.
Hello.
Hello. Alright. Ooh, and my bag made it before I did. Awesome. Room 2255. This is not the room that I had chose when I initially booked the cruise, but for some reason they sent me an email and said that I was getting an upgrade, and I was okay with that because I get a bed to myself and I get a window, and that is great. So let me move my bag out of the way and take a look around the room. 2255. Let's see. What is this? When I was given this room after an upgrade, I noticed on Carnival's website that it had 2 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms was supposed to have a tub, and the other bathroom had a stand-up shower. So here's a look at the one with the stand-up shower and the toilet. Now let's take a look at bathroom number 2. This bathroom is the one that holds the tub. There's no toilet in bathroom number 2. Here's a look at the rest of the room. Nice size, king size bed with the window view. There's a wall outlet there. The wall outlet behind the phone is the one that I had to use because I couldn't find any other outlet in the room anywhere, not near the sofa or either side of the bed. I did search around the room, like I mentioned before, for a plug. Right above the headboard, I saw what I thought was a plug, but that turned out to be a light switch. There are several light switches. On the left and right side of the bed, there are lamps, but the only plug I could find was the one over by the phone. Now let's take a look at the closets. On the right side, those 2 doors are the 2 bathrooms. The left side are closets. The first closet has shelf space. Second closet, hangers in case you need to hang anything up. Third closet, also hangers to hang anything up. And the last closet, there's an extra blanket for the bed and a life vest.
You can start doing what you want to do. So at this time, folks, if you haven't already done so, please check in to your assigned muster station You're going to watch a quick life jacket demonstration and be on your way. It's super fast. We want you to have as much fun as you possibly can. But like I say, you need to check in with one of our team members at your assigned muster station, watch a quick life jacket demonstration and be on your way. Now the muster stations are located as follows. Muster station A3, A4 and A5 is located in the Showtime Theatre at the very front of the ship, on decks 3, 4 and 5. Muster station B3 and B4 are located in the Northern Lights dining room on decks 3 and 4 at the front of the ship. Muster station C4 is located in our lower casino on deck 4 at the front.
Bathroom number 2 has a tub. Nice window view of the ships over at Naval Station Norfolk, or that may be Portsmouth Shipyard. I'm not sure. I think it's Portsmouth because that looks like the hospital at the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard. I almost forgot the refrigerator and the safe. Here's the refrigerator, small refrigerator, not much room, but it worked for my 1 bottle of water free. And there's the safe. Again, this room was given to me as an upgrade. I'm not exactly sure why, but I was very thankful and grateful for it. So thank you, Carnival.